You really want to take that risk?
Yeah, mate, of course. I used to work on a construction site. Love my job. Great banter with the lads. Then I made a bad decision. One that changed my life.
Most workplace accidents are preventable and down to the choices that you make. Don't throw your life away and don't become an injury statistic. Red signs mean stop. These are preventative signs that ban a certain action. A very common example is no smoking. Yellow signs are warning signs and they identify anything that may cause a danger, for example, a trip hazard. Blue signs are mandatory instructions that you must follow, such as wearing your ear protection. For a fire to start, 3 components need to come together: oxygen, fuel, and heat or ignition. This is often referred to as the fire triangle. To prevent or stop a fire, you simply take one of these components away. Let's summarise. Hazardous substances can take many forms and often only become dangerous when not used or handled properly. It's your responsibility to identify and remember the chemical and biological health hazards you may face daily. Ask yourself, can you read all the labels and instructions? Are you aware of the risks of the product that you're using? Are you wearing your protective clothing and does it fit? If a load is too heavy to lift alone and there's no equipment to assist, consider sharing the load with a colleague. Working as a team reduces the risks of injury. Opt for the use of mechanical devices such as wheelbarrows, hoists and other plant or equipment wherever possible. Make the load smaller or lighter and easier to lift. When using angle grinders, abrasive wheels and disc cutters, ensure suitable protection is worn. This may include eye protection to prevent injury from flying particles, face masks to prevent the inhalation of dust from dry grinding, head, feet and hand protection to prevent the risk of physical injury due to flying wheel fragments, ejected materials and slicing injuries from disc cutters. If you are digging or disturbing the ground, you should take care to avoid striking underground cables. The use of safe digging practices, such as using insulated hand tools, cable locating devices and cable plans, can help to reduce the risk of harm. A confined space can be described as any enclosed or restricted area, such as vessels, pipes, or an area where openings lead to interior chambers such as ducting or poorly ventilated rooms. Scaffolding, tower scaffolds, ladders and step ladders are all types of access equipment, specifically designed to allow you to work at heights safely. This DVD has highlighted the different types of hazards that you may be faced with and what can be done to keep you working safely. Bear these in mind when you start your next role. Employers should provide a safe working site with adequate welfare facilities, safety guidance and site rules. But your safety ultimately starts with you. If you're wondering how relevant this DVD was, then consider that when it comes to site safety, you might only get one chance.